Hi guys, it's time for your Friday check-in. I just wanted to say a great job with the work this week. You guys, so many of you are already ahead, or a lot of you are right on track, which I really appreciate. And those that are behind, a lot of you are doing a great job catching up and getting some of that late work in. Good job. Keep that up. I wanted to remind you that this is our last weekend that you will have to catch up on assignments, okay? So remember, I don't ever have work due over the weekends, but if you are behind, this is your last weekend to catch up. Your due dates next week are Tuesday and Friday instead of Thursday as well. And Friday, June 21st, 10 p.m. is when all assignments will close for submission, okay? There are no exceptions to this. Please do not ask. You've been warned, I think, for like the last 4 weeks. So you have had plenty of time to prepare. Make sure you're managing your time, okay? That final week is coming up. Finals literally start a week from Saturday. Saturday, June 22nd is our first finals day. Every day it's between 9 to 3, and I have all that information posted in your finals announcement in your course. I did this a while ago, so just go back through your announcements and you should see it there, okay? I also wanted to let you know I'm available one more time in person at Goldwater High School this Thursday from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. If you have any questions regarding your final study guides, you can come in and see me in person. We can set up a virtual meet if you would like, or you can just message me like you've been doing. So many of you are doing a great job of reaching out and asking questions. And that's my last thing I wanted to leave you with. Please, if you have any questions, most of you are pretty good about reaching out to me, but I don't want to hear that you don't understand something in that reflection. I want to know about it when you don't understand it. So the only way I'm going to know that is if you tell me that you're struggling with something. So please let me know. I want to be able to help you in this last week and finish that course strong, okay? Other than that, if you're all caught up, take the weekend off, relax a little bit, or if you're like super crazy person and you want to get through next week's work, go for it. I don't care. I just really appreciate you guys. This has been a great summer. We got 1 week left. Keep pushing through, and I will talk to you later. Thanks, guys.